Hi guys, it's Danielle from Nellie and Clem here today to do a bit of an unboxing. I bought this big Typecast beast. I decided to take the plunge after saving a lot of money, making a decision about what to buy, whether I was going to buy a sewing machine or this, or like a die cutting machine. After having a good long think about it, I decided to go with this. Also, at the moment there's a Spanish website called Crafterlier, I think it is, and they had a really good deal on this in their sale, so that's what made this happen. Boom. So yeah, I'm just going to open it up and have a look inside, and hopefully I'll be able to put it together without too much trouble. Okay, let's see what happens when I open this. Okay, so, here we go. Hopefully I can get this out without damaging it. We shall see. I decided to go for the pink because it was on offer, like I say, and also there was a black and white one, which I did also like the look of, but my room is very pink, so just decided that I may as well colour coordinate with everything. So, okay, here we go. See if that's in, well, it's sort of in shot, isn't it? Okay, right. Playing with plastic, which means the cat's going to get very excited. Right. So I've seen a few of these online, sort of unboxing videos and things. So, and it comes with this sort of instructions here. I think there's like 4 components that basically need to be removed. I've seen a few people struggling with this, so let's see how I get on. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. It's plastic guy. Oops. Okay, one down. That was just a little bit of plastic that was in there. Okay, so then there's another one here. Oop, another one there. Okay. So there's something over here. Yep, lovely. I think these bits are all just in to stop it from getting jostled around while it's in transit. And then the main one, which I saw a poor lady struggling, something chronic with this, there's a bar in here, and I think she thought that it meant the paper was supposed to come out, but actually there's this sort of protective bar, which let's see if I can get out without too much trouble. There we go. So yeah, bless her, I think she was having a bit of a nightmare. Although it is quite difficult to free up. Come on, you. There we go. Okay, right, so yeah, so that was just in there as well, that just need to come out, and got a bit of ink on me. Okay, so let's just scroll this up. Oops. It's already got a bit of writing going on. So I see someone's had a bit of a test. So let's see how we get on here. Hello, there we go. So no trouble at all. I gotta tell you, the amount of negative reviews I've seen on this thing, how saying it was terrible to put together, impossible, you know, it was broken, blah 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 blah. Just people having a whinge, but yeah, I mean, it seems fine. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you, but it's all good. I'm quite excited. I've read a few other things that sort of said that the harder you push, obviously it's going to go, the ink is going to go a bit darker. But yeah, there we go. No problem whatsoever. So hopefully that doesn't put the fear into you if you were thinking about getting one yourself, because it's absolutely fine. There's no problems with it whatsoever. It's beautiful, and yeah, it's all good. I for anyone that thinks like, oh, why didn't you just buy a like a refurbished original? believe me, I have been looking. It's just impossible to find one that's actually working. A lot of people are selling them as like decorative only, which is pointless. And it also still over £100 for something that's just going to sit on your side is completely mad. And yeah, I mean, this ended up being, it was €150, so, and then it was like £5 postage from Spain. So this has come all the way from Spain as well and is totally fine. So yeah, I hope this is a positive review for this product and encourages you, if you were on the fence, to go for it, because it's lovely and this is going to be fabulous for my journaling. I'm really excited, and this fits 12 by 12s as well, so I mean, that's amazing. So yeah, I feel you're gonna see a lot of journaling coming from me on this. Okay, right, well there you go. Just a quickie, and thanks for visiting, and have a good day. Okay.